Welcome back to IBMI classes. Today I'm creating this video on GoTo command in CL programming. So here GoTo is basically used for controlling the flow or branching or controlling the loop as well. So here I'm giving the demo for GoTo in serial program. So goto has only one parameter, which is command label, and as and if we mention the whatever label we mention on the goto command, the goto will start continue execution from there and skip the next things if in between that lies something, or uh, maybe you can jump from backward to forward or forward to backward, or you can say downward to upward or upward to downward in the program. Suppose you have executed line 4 and you just want to go back to the line 2, then you can use go to statement with the command label. So on the line 2 you have to specify the uh, command label. Sure. So this is a very simple program which is giving the demo for which is for the demo of goto command in CL programming. So here I took a variable goto of length 10, type character, the value is hello. So now at the first point I am start changing this variable with lmnop value. So this is the start, you can say start command label. Now again the next line is go to command label mid. So this is without any condition. So if I just want to skip few lines, so I just use go to command label mid. So it will just skip the next line and will directly transfer the flow to the mid command label and I start executing from here. So now again if it checks the condition goto equals to and goto equals lmnop, which is correct, then it will execute this goto command label end. So it will not execute this line and it will go to end label, and this is the end PGM. So here if I want, I can mention any command label here apart from end, like start. So I can mention start, so it will again start executing from the starting point. So this is the goto command with parameter label. So if I would take F4 on this, so I can see that this has only one parameter, command label. So we will mention the name of the label, which is written here. So let's take F5. So we have already I've already compiled this program and set this on debug, so I'm calling this. So currently the value of goto is lmnop, and without any condition I am using the goto to the command label mid. So it will skip this line and will continue start the execution from this label mid F10. So it skips this line and comes to the control comes to the mid label. It will check if goto equals to lmnop, which is correct, then it will go to command label end, since this line would not get executed here also. So end PGM. So that's all. So this is the demo for the goto command in CL, nothing more in this one. So we simply specify the label command label parameter in the goto command to start to continue the or you can say continue the execution from some uh, point in our program whenever certain conditions met or want met. So it depends upon us where we specify this command. So we can use this command to control the flow or in looping or in branching wherever we want. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.